Okay, so this is another review video. We're going to show you how to find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that contains the points 3, -5, and 6, 2. Slope-intercept form, so this guy is y is equal to mx plus b, where y and x are variables and they do not change. Okay, so we're going to leave them as y and x. We have this guy, m, so m is your slope, and there's a video that if you need to watch, you can watch on how to find slope. B is your y-intercept. And real quick, just a picture, y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, so that's your y-intercept. Okay? So what do we need? We need slope and we need a y-intercept. And we need a point on the actual line. Well, we know that these 2 points are on the line, and we're going to use these to find slope, so that's the first step. Find slope. So we have our slope equation, so I'm going to do 2 minus -5 all over 6 minus 3, so y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, and I'm going to get 2 plus 5, so our signs are going to change, right, because we have opposites. We have same sign next to each other, and that's going to be 7 over 3, so that's our slope. Given the fact that the slope is 7/3, and we know now that if I take this y is equal to mx plus b, I have my slope. And I could take any one of these points in and plug values in for y and x. And now, hey, I can find my y-intercept. Okay? So let's go ahead and use this. So we have -5 is our y value, is equal to our slope, which is 7 over 3, times, and I put these in parentheses. Anytime I substitute a value in for a variable and there's something next to it, I use parentheses because that tells me I need to multiply, plus b. And we're going to solve for b, and that's going to allow us to find the equation in slope-intercept form. So now, the way that this problem is set up, what's nice is we have a 3 and a 3 that cross out. One's on the top, one's on the bottom, and I am left with -5. Let me change the color here real quick. -5 is equal to 7 plus b. Subtract 7 from both sides, and we get b is equal to -12. So now I can put everything together. We know that the slope was equal to 7/3, and we know b is equal to -12. So I can take this guy and I can say y is equal to 7/3 x minus 12. And this is how we get the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. There are different types of forms out here, but this is one we use traditionally. Some are easier than others, but this is what you're more comfortable with. This will get you the answer.